Okay, so your iPad came with a really powerful software. It is called Keynote. If you can't find it, it's right here. So Keynote is usually used for presentations, but we're going to use it for an animation. So you can hit the plus sign here to create a new one. It's going to give you a bunch of themes, and you're welcome to look through these if you want. I like the basic one, so I'm just going to use this basic white one. You could use whatever one of those you want. On the first slide, I want you to go ahead and double tap. I want you to think about what you're going to do an animation on. If you don't know yet, it's okay. You could just write my animation. And down here, you can just write by your first and your last name. I'm going to write Mr. Ulowitz. I'm going to go up here where it says presentation. I'm going to write rename, and you're going to call this your first name, your last name, and your animation, just so I know whose it is when you hand this in later. What you're going to do next is you're going to hit these three little dots on the right hand side, and you're going to press transitions and builds. You could also just make sure you're not clicked on the text right here, because the text is different than a slide. You want to come back over to the left hand side, click on a slide, and if you just click on a slide one time, or sometimes you have to click on it again, you could click on transition there to get to the same step. And we're going to use the one called Magic Move. So go ahead and select the one that says Magic Move. Press done when you're done with it. It's going to ask you to duplicate these slides. Yes, you want to duplicate those. You could have actually duplicated them first, then went back and select Magic Move. Either way works. I think it's just easier to do it that way. And what I'm going to do here is just change the look of this a little bit. So if I went back to where it said Format and Paint, go to my text, and just I'm going to make that bigger. Okay, I can change my text color. And then I could go ahead and move this too. So if I move this one over here, move this one over here. Okay, when I go back and play this, press this play arrow, you'll see that when it plays, it'll go like that. Just kind of gives it like a nice animation. So it moves from one slide to the next slide. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add another slide. So to add another slide, I just click right down here in the bottom left hand corner. I'm going to choose the one that says blank. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and put my picture in. So I'm going to press this little thing that has the plus sign. And you're going to choose the one that has like the square and the circle. And you could go to any one of these things and animate anything you want. So you can have a story about a duck swimming across the ocean. You can have almost anything in here. Okay, so I am going to keep mine nice and simple. I'm just going to go and I'm going to find a gator. So I'm scrolling down here. There's a gator. I'm going to move this. Now I don't like the blue color. I just select that and hit that paintbrush up there. I could change the style of that by going fill and saying, you know what, I want that to be green instead. Okay. Now, if I want to make it look like there's water or something in here, I could easily add a shape and just kind of make it look like there's water here. Because gators usually like water. Now I'm going to make it look like this gator is moving. So another way you could animate is you could go here to where it says transitions and build. Notice how I have my gator selected. So I can animate my gator here. Add action. I could create a path for this gator. So I could swim like this gator is going up and down all the way over here. So that is another way I can do. So my animation starts off, I press play. My animation. There's my gator. Nothing. I'm not real crazy about that style, so I'm going to go down here to where it has this formatting thing, text, and I'm going to change my title. The font here. There, I like that better. And I'm going to go to size here and just increase the size. So I don't want to have nothing selected. I want to have the slide selected. So you see how the slide selected? So when I press add transition, magic move, Animate, I'm going to press done. You could move this wherever you want, but this is where also you can change the color, and it automatically will change on the move. Text color. Okay, so when I play this, it switches. Hey, here. And again, I am going to use that same magic move. So I'm going to make sure I click on the slide over here, not the text, the slide. Okay, I'm going to go up. If you just click on the slide right there, I'll say transition. Add transition, magic move. Okay, press done. Duplicate that slide. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring that gator back. So I'm going to add another object again. I'm going to add animals. Make it nice and big by dragging those blue circles over. Again, I'm not real crazy about the color, so right here, we'll select that gator, format it, style, fill, green. Nothing beats a gator. So I hope you found these directions to be pretty easy. Basically, your first slide should be like your title of your project and your name. And after that, a simple animation. And then you're going to save this file as a movie to play on any device. And you can even upload this to YouTube or any other social media site you want when you're done if you're proud of it. Make it simple. You could definitely do more than one. You could turn in more than one if you want. But I would just focus on doing something simple and not taking too much of your time. So good luck. If you have any questions, email me.